My son noticed that the fabric on our car door on the back side had let loose right here. So this is a big part of fabric and this is a big part of plastic. So all of this was on the other side of the car. So here it is. I removed the plastic and the fabric here, on this screw here, and here, and here, and here, and there, and there. And this is the remote for the car lock. So you need to do this in the right order, otherwise it doesn't work on my car. It took longer than I thought. Maybe this needs to be glued back on once I put the door back later. Now I'll go inside and show you the door. This is the inside or the back side of the door panel. It's made of hard pressed paper. I was a little bit amazed that I actually don't have a airbag here somewhere. I read somewhere that I have 7 airbags, but clearly I don't have anyone in the back doors. So this part is where the fabric is. So when I turn the door panel, it looks like this, and I'm sure you all have seen it before. So what I will try and use is ordinary quick glue. It's like wood glue and all other material, and I will have a little bit further inside. Hopefully that will work. And then here on the corner and then I will use a screwdriver to push it down. And then I will use a toothbrush to remove the I don't know what it's called, but I'll use some water here. For the moment it looks quite good. I will go back with the toothbrush, a little bit wet toothbrush, later on when the glue has been dried, and hopefully this will work. It feels good here. You can't see any glue anywhere, so hopefully it will turn out great. So it's been a few days since we glued the fiber together with the panel, and it looks quite good. It's only here that it can be shown, but it's all glue has turned black. I have also the plastic on the door, on the inside of the panel, got loose here, so I added some glue and silicone glue, just like Volvo have done all over the place. So here it's stuck together. So now it's time to add the panel to the door and make everything nice again. So here we go. I'm gonna add the panel. There are holes in the door. Press the panel down, 4 holes. And this is not as easy as it looks, I believe. So this electronics goes through there. Then you have electrician there, and then you're gonna have to make sure this comes here. Look, it's this will be it. So like that. And now with this, and then I guess you work yourself from upwards. And this one goes in like this, slowly, so nothing breaks. And there's a hole there, and you need to have your correct screw. Down here there are 3 screws. They are a little bit different. Some of them are thick and some of them are not. This one doesn't seem to be thick. So, okay. Well, that didn't work. Let me try this one. No? None of the screws wants to work. They get stuck. So we need to see what's the problem. No, here's a short screw. A very short screw. It's a 4th screw. I guess that's the one that goes inside there. Something like this. Yes. Now you have the door sliding upwards and downwards, and this is a connection, and you need to do it right, I guess. So yes, it's like this. That goes. Is this a thicker screw? Maybe. So you can come closer with the camera. So there's a screw here. No. That screw didn't work either. Should be a bigger screw, a thicker one maybe. You need to get inside the hole correctly. There you go. Works. And you have your final 2 screws here going into the door panel on the side. Go in with your hand first, and then you attach it like that. And a little lower there's a second screw. Like that. And then you have 2 plastic locks or whatever that goes on top. So, and the final piece goes on the door in the corner. And my wife stands here with the camera. And I'm gonna try. And the door is done. Works like a charm. Thank you for watching.